Hello, my name is Ashley Neal, and today I'm going to be administering the 1 mile walk test and the 1 mile jogging test. The 1 mile walking test and the 1 mile jogging test are both two well-known field tests for estimating cardiorespiratory fitness. The 1 mile walking test is used to assess cardiorespiratory fitness in men and women ages 20 through 69. It's useful for testing older sedentary individuals. It requires the subjects to walk as fast as they can, and the advantage of both of these field tests are that they are easy to administer in large groups. For this test, you're going to need a stopwatch, a clipboard, paper to write your measurements that you're going to get from your client, and a pen. Before administering this test, it's important that you have your client stretch properly so that he doesn't get injured. In this test, it's important that your subject walks as fast as possible, preferably on a track or even surface. Go. Come on, Richie. Finish strong, finish strong. And time. Upon completion of the test, you must immediately take the heart rate by placing your index finger and your middle finger up on the carotid artery or on the radial site. Count the number of beats that you feel in a 15-second time span, and then you're going to multiply that by 4. The next test that we're going to conduct is the 1 mile jogging test. The 1 mile jogging test is a submaximal test. It's developed for men and women ages 18 through 29, and it requires steady state exertion. For this test, it's important that you let your client know that he or she needs to be running at a comfortable to moderate pace. Good job, Richie. Finish, finish. Time. In order to get your calculations for VO2, make sure that you record the time it took your client to run the entire mile. This completes our assessment for cardiorespiratory fitness. Thank you, Ricardo. To find the VO2 max for the 1 mile walk, you're going to use the equation that's listed above, which is 132.853 minus 0.769 times body weight in pounds minus 0.3877 times age in years plus 6.315 times gender, which is 0 for females or 1 for males, minus 3.2649 times time in minutes minus 0.1565 times heart rate in beats per minute. To find the VO2 max for the 1 mile steady state jog, you're going to use the equation listed above, which is 100.5 minus 0.1636 times body weight in kilograms minus 1.438 times time in minutes minus 0.1928 times heart rate in beats per minute plus 8.344 times gender, which again is 1 for males and 0 for females. So now we're going to fill in our information for the 1 mile walk test, which is 132.853 minus 0.0769 times 142 pounds, which is how much Ricardo weighs, minus 0.3877 times 20 years, which is how old he is, plus 6.315 times 1, since he is a male, minus 3.2649 times 13 minutes, which is the amount of time it took him to complete the test, minus 0.1565 times 150 beats per minute, which was his ending heart rate, and that gives us a VO2 max of 54.57 milliliters per kilograms per minute. So now we're going to plug in our information for the 1 mile steady state jog, which is 100.5 minus 0.1636 times Ricardo's weight in kilograms, minus 1.438 times 8 minutes, which was the amount of time it took him to complete the steady state jog, minus 0.1928 times 152 beats per minute, which was his ending heart rate, plus 8.344 times 1 because he is a male. And that gave us a VO2 max of 57.56 milliliters per kilogram per minute.